Featured this evening is going to be a variety that is still very much available out there in circulation. And, if you're still coming across 1997 Philadelphia minted Lincoln cents, then you have a real good shot at finding one of these really cool varieties that have been around for a while and is actually pretty valuable in the secondary market. So the coin here is a 1997 Lincoln cent with the doubled ear variety. Okay, it is a true double die obverse. It is a cherry picker's guide variety, as noted in the book. And this one is attributed as double die obverse number 1. All right, so it is the coin to find for this particular date. It's not going to be on a Denver minted coin, so if you see a small letter D underneath the date, you're not going to find this particular variety here on this coin. So what exactly are we looking at on this coin? Okay, we all know we're looking at the ear, and the ear seems to trip up a lot of people on various dates of Lincoln cents. Some, see a doubled apparition of the ear on a lot of the other dates, not just the 1984 or the 1997. So people automatically assume that there are additional examples of other dates out there. Without full attribution from, a variety expert like Chuck Daughtry or Wexler, it's going to be really tough to get those sold, okay? Especially if they're not slabbed in some sort of third-party authentication plastic, like PCGS or NGC or Annex. So it always helps when you find a coin that may exhibit like a doubled ear that you get it attributed by an expert first. So as you can see on this close-up graphic, okay, you have the double die on the left, and you have a normal 1997 Lincoln ear. As you can tell on the double die type, you're going to have a nice droopy appendage. The earlobe's going to come down a little bit, and it's going to look elongated compared to the coin on the right. It's a really easy variety to diagnose once you see it. And, it's one that, like I said, sells pretty well in the secondary market. So how much exactly do these coins go for? Let's say, for argument's sake, that you're selling a coin, you're not interested in getting it graded by, one of those third-party graders. Typically raw examples that exhibit, some sort of circulated wear, so the coin will be maybe a little bit brown. As long as there's no damage or zinc rot, you should be fine. Coins in this condition still sell for around $20 to $30. Once you get into the really nice mint state red grades, these coins shoot up over $100 almost instantly, and you're going to have no problem selling one of these. So again, another coin to add on the list of other varieties to look for. I know it could be a little overwhelming, but this is a really nice variety that you can make a few bucks on, and it's neat as all get out. Lincoln's got a droopy ear. Yeah, just imagine how many earrings you could fit on there. But anyways, if you enjoyed tonight's content, I appreciate you guys give me a like, help me out with my metrics as always. Appreciate all of the support that you've given me through my stumbling on this late hour. And keep hunting, keep stacking, enjoy this wonderful hobby of coin collecting, and I shall see you next time. I'm your host, Blue Ridge Silverhound. You guys have a wonderful evening and a great day. Take care.